Still out in Camarillo. Do have a few shops I want to check out. Do got a nice clearance section here. I feel like every time I come, including a Mookie Betts jersey right here. What's the price tag? $220 down from $330. Got a Packers hoodie right here. This is a medium. It is a starter. Yeah, $40. $30 for salute to service. Oh, it's like super thin though. $30. I know these retail for way more. $85 normally. Raiders Pro Standard jacket, $90. Women's, look at women's medium. It's wide as hell. God damn, dude, $40. Starter jackets right here. This is a medium. Pittsburgh Steelers jacket. They're talking about $90. Normally 180. Pretty much 50% off. Oh, I was like, is this a Ronnie Lott jersey? Yeah, $70. It's a medium. Got an Adams jersey right here, $80. Cowboys salute to service jacket. This is a small. Holy crap. This small looks really small for women. Dang, dude, these are freaking dope. $90. Normally $2. That is crazy. New era. This is the Alpha Industries. Ton of gold. This is actually hella nice. Holy crap. Thinking about it, but I feel like women don't wear jackets very often. This one's dope. This is a large right here. But that small, that might, I don't know. Might be useful, but Dodgers jersey right here, $120 for Mookie Betts. It's like that was like this. I don't know what the alternate jerseys. Got a Tua jersey, $80. Raiders hoodie for women. Actually pretty dope. I don't know what size it is. Large for $50. They got like blank stuff that they can customize for you guys for crazy cheap. $3 for t-shirts, $5 for polos, sweatshirts for $10. That's pretty dope if you just want. And they can probably customize it for you and stuff too at a cost, so not bad. And they use the Gildan shirts. That's actually a really good brand. Authentic Kobe jersey for $200 instead of $300 MPLS colorway. That one's actually fire. I got Purdy jersey right there, Mahomes and Chase. I think those are for kids though. I think that Purdy youth jersey. Dang it! If that was a men's, I might grab it. I think that's all kids stuff up there. Dang it! Yeah, the men's Purdy right here, not on sale. Got some Dodger stuff right here. $120 for that jacket. Pullover $70. This jacket right here is not bad. Over $100 off. Pretty dope. That's a Pro Standard from last year. I want to check out lids, but also need to stop by New Balance real quick. BOGO 50% off, 40% off apparel. Okay, it looks like they still do have 40% off the back wall. They had 50% last week, but I missed it. Men's section right here, 997 H's, $70 for these bad boys. Remember, you did get 40 off. 90/60s right here, actually in a pretty decent color. Nice suede, $130 for these. 740s right here. This one we've seen on sale for $80. Here's the warped right here. These are going for $130. They got them in multiple colorways. This is like a small one though. That one's only $100. Dang. T500s right here, $60. Seems like they have a ton of these 740s right here. Clutch Athletics collab. Saw these bad boys out in the Citadel. Those are going for $70. T500s and a suede right here, $60. Fresh foam Hieros right here go for $140. 1000s. I'm so not a fan of these. Super dad looking shoes right here, $100. Not even super dad, but like a dad, like I don't know, like the quintessential version of a dad shoe. 1906s, $100. Fuel cells, propels right here, $95. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this Super Comp Elites, $180 for these. This is their marathon running shoe right here. Got a carbon fiber plate. Does have their what is it? The fuel cell, like their best foam. Super comfortable. These are a size 12, so obviously they're way too big. I think I could do an 11 on these actually, but yeah, they're just so freaking comfortable. The cushioning is not as soft as Zoom X, but it's pretty close. But it's very, very bouncy. Very, very bouncy. Oh my goodness. 180 for these, 40% off. I think it's like really close to $100. 102, one very low hundreds. That is such a good price. The 1080s right here in the size 14, $100. These go down to $60 after the discount. Size 15, 150 for 990s right here. These are freaking huge. At least they got heat for Big Feet Gang. $100 for these. Fresh foam 10 Cruise 70. They got another one of these in a smaller size, and if you follow my channel for a while, you can always see if they can order you one for the same price. Size 8, 1080s and 8.5 right here, so comfy. $100. 574s right here, $100. So $60. Size is definitely not optimal for everything, but at least you can try to order. Got these 997s right here. These are size 12, $70. That's some of the cheapest 997s we've seen. These Levi collabs have been here in the smaller sizes forever. Levi New Balance 580s. And these bad boys come with the box top 120, 550 smaller size right here, and it has Ortholite insole, I guess. Okay. No price tag. It's on sale, I'm sure. All right, let's see what's going on with the aisles. And this one is a clearance store, so they have way more clearance shoes than the factory stores like Citadel and where's the other one in LA? I think Ontario Mills. They got these 1906s, and they actually have all the prices listed, which they always don't, which is freaking dope. 997s, 740s, 471s. Fuel cell propel. These retail for over 100, so that's not bad. I haven't tried these though. 880s in a few different colorways. Then they got these 1080s right here, $60 after the discount. Such a good price. And they got these super comp trainers. And I was talking to one of the workers here who is a runner. I was trying to figure out how these are different. I think they're not as rigid. I don't think they're as rigid as the super comp elites. These are the trainers. I have to use two hands to get that in. But yeah, these were down to freaking $70 last week. I probably would have paid 70 for them, but didn't make it out here. They don't have my size. And that means it'd be like, what, 80, $84, something like that. So dang it. They have a size 11. I think I tried on the size 11 at work. They have wide ones as well. What I get for missing a week, but had to be out with my kiddo and was getting ready for Vegas, so it kind of happened. 9060s. These are going for $100. Of course, you get the 40 off on top. These are 125 for these 998s. Another one right here. 996s, which are made in the USA. Pretty freaking dope, $100. 990s right here in kind of like a peach color right here. $60, my bad. 60 freaking bucks. You're not gonna see too many 99s cheaper. 990s cheaper. Wow. And these are all made in the USA. These are all V version 6s. You won't see much lower than this. Crazy. So many different colors, like a lime color. Essential, almost black and white with some cream on it. 992s, I don't know nothing about 992s. 993s, I know these are made in the USA. Some of these are made in England as well. You don't see those too often. But yeah, 130 for these 993s in the are made in the USA versions as well. And they have a ton of other shoes that are buy one, get one 50 off. They have a few that are excluded from the promo, but most of their shoes, buy one, get one 50% off. Almost missed these over here. T500, like the early Terminator series. I think Arnold Schwarzenegger was a T800, but yeah, $50 to $25 for those bad boys right there. 480s, dunk looking bad boys right here. Also go for $25. Women's clearance section time, where we see 574s that look pretty dope. Go for $100 though. I guess 50 ain't bad. 3 or 237, $60. 30 sounds better. I don't like the look of it. I was curious to see if these are still here. These are down to $60 now. Damn, $60. So $36. 36 bucks last week. They went down before last week. That means these were $30 last week. Might have grabbed those for $30. $6. That's the line. I'm drawing the line somewhere. $5.15, $60. I'm surprised they dropped the price on these because they've been here for, I want to say, for like 4 or 5 months. That's crazy. Maybe 6 months. I don't know. They've been here forever. That's some fresh foam 1080s right here, $100, size 13. So is that 11.5 men's? Got one down here as well, 11.5, so size 10 men's right here. This is it's a narrow one though. It is a medium. It's a B code right there, which is a medium. If it's a D, that means it's a wide. 327s right here, $100. Ooh, these are interesting. 574s down here. Not too bad. Size 11 women's, $100. Got these in the size 10 fuel. Cell Rebels, $100. More normal size 8 right here, $100 for these. Fuel Cell Rebels right here, $100. More 237, $70. BBW 550s. I just like saying that name. 110 for these BBWs. Super Comp trainers right here, 160 for these bad boys right here. 997s, $60. Super Comp trainers in a smaller size, 250 for these bad boys right here. Another one of these super shiny 574s, the one that we saw in the men's at a women's. I don't know, but yeah, these are going for $100. Looks like a couple of shoes. The prices did go down. Got these suede 574s right here. These are going for $60. Are these the same ones? Or are these different? These look way longer. The hair looks way longer. Color looks exactly the same, which is interesting. But yeah, maybe these just got brushed. I don't know. But yeah, these are 60 as well. They both do have the same style code. The suede looks so different. That's crazy. Fuel Cell Pulse. PV. LSE. I don't know. Whatever. 120. All right, we'll knock out the aisles. 880s and BBW 550s. Another one right here. 574s. This is like suede, but it's like stamped or something. It's textured. $80. These started off at 100, 40 off. Now they're 80, 40 off. I like this black one right here. These are pretty freaking dope. And glad my camera could pick up all the different textures and stuff. Another 574, 530, 327s, 91 right here, 327s. Got some 880s, multiple colorways. Looks like they have quite a few of these. Super Comp Elites in a NYC Marathon colorway right here, 250, 40 off. It's dope as they got wide ones and they got non-wide ones right here. So they got the D ones and the B. Super Comp trainers right here for 160, 40% off. Fuel Cell Rebels, 2 different colorways. 1906s, 2 colorways as well. Then they have a bunch of the BOGO 50% off deals, just like the men's section. Ain't been to Liz's locker room in a minute. Like 3 months left until their semi-annual clearance sale, but it's worth checking to see if they have anything on sale. 35. Ooh, dang, $35. $35. What the hell? No additional discounts, but $35 for a medium Antetokounmpo jersey. That's crazy. Wow. Got a Mike Bibby jersey from way back when, $95. Kids LG jersey, $63. Was this a Nash jersey? Nash jersey, $95. Durant one's going for $60. Vince Carter jersey. I think I found one of these at Ross a while back. $90. Newer. Oh, this is Durant. I thought it was a newer Nash jersey, not 90. Like the updated Antetokounmpo jersey, 70. The Cooper Cup jersey. These should be hella cheap, 65. Morant jersey go for 90. Tua, what's Tua's jersey go for? It's a double XL, go for 65. Tyreek Hill, go for 70. Lakers shorts right here, $80 still. Tennessee hoodie right here. It looks like this is apparel, not necessarily jersey, $60. Penguins, Pittsburgh Penguins. Hoodie right here, $120. Notre Dame, $10. Dodgers women's shirt, $25. Red Bull soccer team jersey or t-shirt, my bad, t-shirt, $15. Ohio State, this is a size small though, $25. Clippers medium hoodie, $50. Eagles shirt right here, medium, $25. Padres Nike t-shirt, $15. Cubs New Era t-shirt, $25. Alright, they have a bunch of team t-shirts, but like not the greatest price. I think the only really good deal, $25 for the 49ers. The only really good deal here, that Antetokounmpo jersey. I think that's it. They have hats for $30 and $25. And I guess I'm waiting for the semi-annual clearance sale. Got a few months left.